Happy Chinese Class. 我是黄老师 I'm your teacher, Liling Huang. In this video, we will learn how to describe the continuation of an action or a state with 着. 着 is often placed after a verb to indicate the continuous aspects of an action or an ongoing state. The most basic pattern is subject plus verb plus 着 plus object, like 门开着 the door is open. 电脑关着 the computer is off. 他穿着红色的衣服 he is wearing red clothes. 他拿着一个杯子 he is holding a cup. In the first sentence, 开 alone can mean to open or to turn on. Adding 着 allows one to express that something to be open or to be on. In the second sentence, 关 alone means to close or to turn off. 电脑关着 expresses the continuation of the state to be off as a result of the action 关 to turn off. In the third sentence, 穿 alone means to put on. 穿着 denotes a state that one is wearing something. And in the last sentence, 拿 means to pick up or to take. With 着 it means be holding. So I have a question for you. What do these verbs have in common? What kinds of verbs can take the suffix 着 as a continuous aspect marker? Well, only an activity verb that denotes a state associated with the activity meaning can be followed by 着 to talk about the ongoing nature of the action. A type of activity verbs that denote postures are often used with the suffix 着, such as 坐 to sit, 站 to stand, 躺 to lie, 睡 to sleep, and so on. The verbs of posture can also be used to signal the ongoing posture at a location. Here is a pattern. Subject plus 在 plus location plus verb plus 着. Like 他在床上躺着 he is lying on the bed. 学生在教室里坐着 the students are sitting in the classroom. 孩子在家里睡着 the children are sleeping in the house. Now let's practice using this pattern to describe the pictures. 老师在教室站着 the teacher is standing in the classroom. 猫在沙发上坐着 A cat is sitting on the sofa. Okay, so far we have learned the basic pattern with 着. Next, let's turn to another pattern. In this pattern, 着 is used between two verbs. The first verb plus 着 phrase is used to describe how the second action is performed. For example, 他坐着看书 There are two verbs in this sentence. The first one, 坐, and the second one, 看书. So reading books, 看书 is the main action, and 坐着 tells us how he reads. Let's look at another example. 老师站着上课 The teacher stands lecturing. So teaching, 上课 is the main action in this example, and the accompanying action is 站着 standing. More examples. 他躺着画画 He lies down painting. Tom Brady 抱着球跑 Tom Brady runs while holding the ball. 懂了吗? Now let's practice. Watch what I am doing. Can you describe it using this pattern? 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。老师站着唱歌。Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have an amazing